Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this air duster or compressed air duster. It comes in this box actually like this, and I have received this one to review. Let's open it up and see what we have got inside. So a very nice looking actually box and quite informative as well, so it has a lot of details written in this. Here we go. And what do we have? Let's start with here. Brush nozzle, long nozzle, so air matrix nozzle, flat nozzle and short nozzle. Information. So 200,000 RPMs, so that's the maximum speed. This is insane. Type C, it can take 3 hours to charge, and rechargeable, efficient cleaning, so pretty cool. Let's open this up and see what we have got inside. So it has its own bag, which is actually really cool idea. Very nice bag as well. So it's like a leather looking bag. Pretty cool. Really nice. And inside it is also protective clothes. So if you remember, I have reviewed quite a few of these ones before, but this is by far the best I have seen so far. This is the user manual, so I think, well, it has in English as well, sounds good. So it just explains how to use it. Let's just open it up first. This is our basically device. Looks really nice and sleek, feels quite good in hand. And this is the USB-C, that's the basically inlet, that's the outlet, that's our button, and this is our basically battery. Let's turn it on. So it starts its full battery. It's a low power now. Pretty cool actually. It's really strong, I would say. Very strong. Quite nice in hand as well, and this whole thing is just a battery, so it's a very big battery. So it has a kind of brush to clean up basically. It has got the nozzles, so there are two different ones. So this is the small one, this is the long one, this is the other one. Basically everything just sits on top of this one in here. So well, I'm a little bit curious how this one would sit on top of it. Well, it's a bit interesting to me. Or how could this one sit? Well, perhaps this can be opened somehow. I'm not sure. Let's have a look how we can change the heads in here. So no information actually about that one, or how we can take the nozzles out, or maybe there is a kind of stand, perhaps. Doesn't look like, because the problem is this thing doesn't sit in there, whereas this can sit inside, but this cannot be opened actually. Ah, there we go. So there's no information written about it, so you just need to put it inside and drag it out. This is perhaps, I think, the only downside of this one. So because if you do it too many times, it can indeed break. So, well, so you can just push it like this. There we go. You can drag it out like that. So just tilt it a bit, you can take it out. Really, I think this is the only downside of this one. Other than that, everything is perfectly fine. Pretty cool thing. Let's put back the default one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. If so, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on a daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.